Muno Faraere, welcome back to Shona Land. And have you ever wondered how to use the phrase I need in Shona? Well, you are in luck. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to use the phrase I need in Shona sentences. Stay tuned. I need in Shona becomes translated to the following. It can either be ndiri kuda, which is two words, or the other one, which is ndinoda, which is a single word. So I need in Shona gets translated to either one of these two options, which is ndiri kuda, or ndinoda. Let's go through some example sentences so that you can get to understand how this phrase is used in Shona sentences. I need water. In Shona, it becomes ndiri kuda mvura, or the other alternative, which is ndinoda mvura. So I'm sort of giving you both translations of the word of the phrase I need so that you can understand how both of them are used, but they are more or less used in the same way. So I need water in Shona becomes ndinoda mvura, or alternatively ndiri kuda mvura. Okay, let's do another example. I need a doctor. So in Shona it becomes ndinoda chiremba. Chiremba in Shona is doctor. A doctor in Shona, chiremba. I need a doctor, ndinoda chiremba, or ndiri kuda chiremba. Another example. I need food. In Shona, it becomes ndinoda chikafu. Food in Shona, it's chikafu. I need food, ndinoda chikafu, or ndiri kuda chikafu. Another example. I need help. In Shona, it becomes ndinoda rubatsiro. Help in Shona, it's rubatsiro. I need help, ndinoda rubatsiro, or ndiri kuda rubatsiro. I need money. In Shona, it becomes ndinoda mari. Or ndiri kuda mari. Money in Shona, it's mari. I need money, ndinoda mari, or ndiri kuda mari. This brings us to the quiz section. So now you get to test out to see if you understood how to use the phrase I need in Shona. So here I've got a quiz phrase that I want you to translate for me. I need peace. So let me know we've got option A, which is rugare ndirikuda, and then option B, ndinoda rugare. Pause the video, pick which one is the right translation, and let me know in the comment section if you got it right. And the answer is B, which is ndinoda rugare. Ndinoda rugare. Alternatively, it can also be ndirikuda rugare. Ndirikuda rugare. Let me know in the comment section if you got this quiz section right. Thank you so much for joining me. See you in the next one. For the love of Shona, Ndatenda.